Alright, so number 4. This problem is nice. It's already lined up for us. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this one in the calculator first, just to show you what our answers should be, and this just kind of helps us to check and eliminate mistakes. You can also check it by hand, but I want you to have multiple ways of doing this. Alright, so what I'm going to do, second matrix, I'm going to go over to edit and then hit enter. We still have 2 by 3, so I just hit enter, and I'm just going to type these new coefficients over the old one. So notice X is lined up, Y is lined up, equal sign, and then my number. So the first coefficient is going to be 9. The second one is 3. And then the last one is -3. So I have to do -3. Alright, and then we have 4. And then we have 4. And then we have 12. Okay, so then once you get that, you're going to do second and quit. Alright, second matrix again. Arrow over to math. Arrow up to RREF. Don't do REF, do RREF. Okay, make sure you get the right one. And then we're going to do second matrix. Second matrix. And then just hit enter on that A and enter again. Alright, so here's what we're getting our solution to be. So before we've even solved it or written anything down, okay, calculator was pretty straightforward. So in the first row, X was first. So we're getting X is -2, and we're getting Y is 5. Okay, so that's a learning curve, how to read this table. Okay, so now let's actually solve it by hand and verify that we get these two. Okay, so by hand we have 9x plus 3y equals -3. And my second equation is 4x plus 4y equals 12. Okay, I want to eliminate either x or y. Now neither of these are opposite signs, so we can pick which one we want to do. I think I want to do y because if I multiply by 4, I can get these to be the same. Multiply this one by 4, multiply this one by 3. Okay, the least common multiple, that is between 3 and 4, is 12, which is smaller than the least common multiple between 9 and 4, which is 36. Okay, so y has smaller numbers, I can get that to be equal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this one, and it doesn't matter which one you make negative, just make one of them negative. I'm going to multiply this one by +4, and I'm going to multiply this one by -3. Okay, -3, because I need them to be opposite signs but the same number. Okay, so distribute everything by 4. So that would be 36x, and then plus 12y, and then 4 times 3 minus 12 equals -12. Okay, so that's the first equation. Multiply this one by -3. -3 times +4 is -12, -12x, and then we get a -12y, so minus 12y, and then -3 times 12 gives me a -36. Okay, now we see the y's are the same, opposite signs. Add these up. This gives me 24x. I say add, but we actually subtract. These get eliminated. Okay, that's elimination method. And then this is equal to -48. Alright, so now we divide by 24. And we get x equals -2. Okay, so notice that matches what we got up there. Alright, now we're going to take this -2 and just plug it into one of these original equations. I'm going to do the second one because we have smaller numbers. So we got 4 times -2 plus 4y equals 12. Alright, this gives us a negative 8 plus 4y equals 12. Alright, we add 8 to both sides, and we get 4y equals 20, and then divide by 5, and we get y equals 4. Actually, divide by 4, not 5. Divide by 4. I don't know why I wrote 5. Divide by 4. Thinking the answer. Okay. Because that's a 4. So y equals 5. Sorry. And then that also matches what we got up here to begin with. So calculator will do it, and it will get there very quickly, but you need to be able to go through this process for solving. So my x value, so we're going to say we got one solution. X value was negative 2, and y value was 5.